Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday. We're halfway through the week already. Where'd that happen? Wow, that's going fast. Wednesday, September 4th of 2019. So our morning announcements for today, we have one birthday to announce, and that's Braylon Woodford. Happy birthday, Braylon. I hope you have a wonderful day today. And boys and girls, you should have received some information, or you will be getting information regarding Picture Day. So Picture Day will be next Monday. So your parents can go online actually and purchase the pictures, or not purchase the pictures. They still take your picture no matter what for the yearbook. So no matter what, we'll get your picture taken next Monday. Our lunch choices. We have pancakes with sausage, cheeseburger, or peach yogurt parfait. And today, for our pause, we're moving on to a different grade level. So we're going to second grade, who are going to be giving us our pause samples and the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, time for our pause. And today we have some second grade students from Mrs. Rambold's class that are going to share some examples of what things you can do to earn your pause.
Be kind to others. Do not talk when the teacher is talking. Be kind to the teacher, help the teacher, and help the principal or Miss Patty.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much, guys.
So thank you for those good suggestions, guys. Remember, being helpful is always a great thing, and that is part of our gratitude for today. So let's be thankful and helpful to a neighbor today. So to another classmate, maybe another friend. Let's do something nice for them today, and maybe just give them a compliment. It would be a great thing today. It's something positive to say to them. So let's be thankful and let's be grateful and give a positive comment to a friend today. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys for those boisterous voices that we had for our Pledge of Allegiance for today. So everyone have a wonderful day today. Be thankful and grateful for the people around you, and do something nice for somebody that you normally wouldn't. Have a wonderful day.